This is the Binomial Distribution Interactive Calculator, which computes probabilities and statistics for binomial experiments. Let's look at the inputs. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: exact probability, cumulative probability, range probability, complement probability, expected value and variance, and find required trials for target probability. For this demo, I'm using exact probability. Next, enter the number of trials, n. I'm using 20. Then the success probability, p. I'll set this to 0.3. For number of successes, k, I'm entering 5. The upper bound and target probability fields are used for other calculation modes. After clicking Calculate, here's what we get. The probability equals 0.178863, which means there's about a 17.89% chance of getting exactly 5 successes in 20 trials when each trial has a 0.3 probability of success. The calculator also shows this as a percentage, 17.8863%. Below that, you'll see the expected value, variance, standard deviation, and required trials fields, though these are populated when using the expected value and variance calculation mode. This tool eliminates manual binomial calculations for quality control and reliability analysis. Find the link in the description below.